Open your browser Chrome. Then typing Xampp in URL. Click Download Xampp. You pay attention to the Xampp version. Then click Download 64-bit. Download file install Xampp successfully. Then click to open the Explorer application on your Windows. Then click Folder Download to your C install file application, Xampp. Then double-click File Install, Xampp to progress installation. Then click Exit Explorer. Waiting show Xampp progress. Click OK to the next. Click Next. Take a look and checklist what is needed for you Xampp. And then click Next. This is location Xampp installation and then click Next. Click Next. Waiting progress installation Xampp to a few minutes. Installation Xampp successfully. Uncheck Start the control panel now, then click Finish. Click Logo, Start Menu Windows, typing Xampp in search bar Start Menu Windows. Right-click, Xampp Control Panel, then click Open File Location. Right-click again, Xampp Control Panel. Click Show More Options. Then click Send to Desktop. Click Exit Explorer. Right-click icon, Xampp Control Panel. Click Properties. Click Compatibility. Click Change Settings for all users. Click Checklist Run this program as administrator, then click OK. Click OK again. Double-click icon Xampp Control Panel. Click Apache Service, then click Yes. Click MySQL Service, then click Yes. Click Start Apache to running localhost. Click Start MySQL to running MyAdmin database control. Then open your browser, Chrome test typing localhost. Then add a slash after localhost, then add the word PAPAH in MyAdmin. Finally, database control in PAPAH in MyAdmin working without trouble. OK, click Minimize a browser. Then click Stop Service, Apache and MySQL. Click Exit to end use of Xampp. Thank you for watching Gaily Bayhaki's video. See you next time.